Smoke alarms save lives. Fire moves quickly and you might have less than 2 minutes to safely escape. A properly placed and working smoke alarm can give you a warning to help you get out in time. Make sure to close all your bedroom doors at night and have at least one smoke alarm working outside of all sleeping areas. Proper placement of smoke alarms is key. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for mounting on the ceiling or wall and keep smoke alarms away from air vents or ceiling fans. Test your smoke alarm each month to be sure you hear the beep. When the clocks change twice a year, change the batteries in your smoke alarms too. A periodic beep or chirp means the battery is low. Replace the battery immediately and don't remove or disconnect the battery before you have one to replace it. If your smoke alarm activates, you may have less than 2 minutes to escape your house. Make sure you have an evacuation plan in place which includes 2 exits to leave from every room. Then a meeting place outside where you can gather your family members once you have left your house.
Tallahassee Fire Department has been serving this community for over 100 years. We do that through prevention, protection, and preparation. Stay tuned for additional safety tips at talgov.com/fire.